Hi guys! So today, gagawa tayong ano, gawa tayong madaming legendary Pokemon sa Infinite Craft. Pag gusto nyo maglaro ng Infinite Craft, lagay nyo na lang sa Chrome nyo pag wala kayo sa ibang na cellphone. Kung ba dito ba okay ba to? Yes, good. So yan, ito yung mouse. Ninja, use double team. Ayan guys. Ano kaya? Meron na tayo dito dalawa. Solgaleo, tapos Tornadus. What? Sino ba si Tornadus? Pag alam, teka. Pag sino may alam kay Tornadus, sabihin sa akin. Solgaleo, yaps. Ayun, ginawa ko si RCS. Where I need to Google something. Tornadus. Okay, I guess we'll just wait. Put another pad over here. And Tornadus. Where's Tornadus? Oh, here it is. Not Charizard. Bruh. Tornadus. Okay. T-O-R and then N-A-Dus. Bro, this is W. Where's the D? I don't know where D is. Tornadus. Bruh. Is this U-S? Bruh. My computer ito ni mama ko. Tapos, messed up yung mga mga itsura ng keyboards. Tornadus. Oh, okay. This is Tornadus. How polite. Nalagay ako sa pantab dyan pag may nakita ko wala pa ibang Pokemon. So, lalagay ko lahat dito yung mga tapos na akong legendary Pokemon. Ito legendary. Arceus. Diyan ka, next Tornadus. Solgaleo. Yan. Meron ako ditong Pokemon. Pokemon. Hindi naman legendary si Pikachu, diba? Pokemon. Bilis. Pokemon. Kumuha tayong Pokemon. Pokeball with Solgaleo. Lunala. I literally made another Pokemon with a Pokeball. Okay, let's test that again. Pokeball with Arceus. Mew. Oh my god. What about Pokeball with Mew? Pikachu. No. I literally made a Mew. Wait. That's a Mew. If I put another Mew, is it gonna be a Mewtwo? Just Mew. Mewtwo. Mew. Mew is like, wait. I need to see what Mew looks like. Enter. Oh yeah, that's the Mew that I was looking for. Clear Infinite Craft. Okay, we have 2 legendaries. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 legendaries. Pokeball with Tornadus. Okay. Pokemon, egg. I don't need a Pokemon egg. Gyarados with Pokemon egg. Pokemon, bro. Yeah. Pokeball. Trainer. Oh my god. Pokemon and Pokeball trainer. That does make sense. Can we make Ash though? Nah, I don't know. These are all the suspects. Pokeball, Dragon. Wait. I put Dragon. Supposed to be Pokemon. Charizard, yeah, get out of here. Pokemon. And Pokemon. Yan. Pokemon. Balik ka dito, Pokemon. Ayaw tumikit. Ayan, naglalag. Yan, lagi ka dito kay Lunala. Uy, cellphone ko. Hindi. Ano nangyari dito? Hindi na galaw. Naglalag. Ayan, naglalag. Hirap naman ito gamitin. Pokemon. Ay, naku, naglalag. Hello. Ma! Naglalag. Naglalag cellphone mo. Meron bang Phoenix na po? Ay, naku, teka lang guys. Ma! Ay, ito guys. Wala pa. Patutugol naman ito. I will travel across far and wide. Tagal naman ito. Pwede ka ba gumalaw? Nasa din. Teka lang guys, ang tagal sobra. Meron pa natin tingnan nyo guys. Ay, Tornadus, Arceus, Lunala, Solgaleo, Mew. C. Where is this freaking... Is this a touch screen? I'm just gonna do this all day. All day. Egg. Pokemon. Lucario. 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 There. Lucario. Boom back. Oh my god. To train them with my cards. Pokemon. We reset. Did it. Did it. Did it. Teka lang guys. Ang tagal. Ang tagal. Oh, I forgot my phone is right here. Hello everyone. Discoveries. I have discovered Pikachu. I Solgaleo. Lunala. Arceus. Tornadus. And the Pokemon and Pokeball and trainers. So I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pang legendaries. Ihi ako. Still not done targeting Gyarados. Sobrang tagal nito. Patay ko muna. Maganda pala mag-computer. Part 2 na lang ako. Mapindot.